my god, this changes everything.
I need to tell you a little story. In fact, it's really two stories. There's the day that I put my exhaust system on the MT09 and turned it into the growling thing it is today. But then there's the other story that also happened that night.
Oh shit.
Alright, let's talk about the exhaust first. So this is a system from Vandemon, which is an Australian-based company down in Wollongong. Now at the time I had this grand idea about what I was going to do with the video. If you remember the motorcycle Ducati scene from Tron, I wanted to do something like that, but I really wanted to capture the sound of the exhaust system. Really make a thing around the sound and how important the sound is on a motorcycle. Of course, I never got around to doing that, so that's why this has been on the back burner for so long. Now, fitting an exhaust system is actually pretty straightforward, particularly if it's a full system. Bolt it onto the front, and away we go. Now, of course, whenever you fit any kind of exhaust system, the first thing you must do is go for a brab around the block.
Okay, so I've literally just fitted the exhaust system, taking it for its first test ride. Oh. I was actually going to do this tomorrow. It's Saturday night, and I was going to do it tomorrow. I couldn't help myself, and so now, of course, I'm doing my test ride at night time. I thought I'll just go for a little run around the block just to see what it sounds like. I am never going to stop riding tonight. Oh my god, this is the best. The one thing I really wanted out of an exhaust system was the I really wanted the pop on the quick shift, and I really wanted that off throttle burble, and this is even 10 times better than I thought it would be. Oh my god, this changes everything. I still got my indicator on. Oh my god, I love it. I tell you what, the big thing I noticed straight up is the amount of torque. There's a really noticeable difference in the amount of torque. Like, I assumed that the amount of pickup would be, or the amount of increase would just be, you know, on paper and not really noticeable, but oh my god, it's really noticeable. Because I'm still in standard mode. You know, I'm not even in B, and it's lifting the front wheel, like, yeah. I can't stop laughing, this is fantastic. Yummy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Awesome GoPro. Chris, I've just got back and I noticed the GoPro is missing off the back.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Do you want to go out and have a look?
Yeah, I'm gonna go and have a look for it. Fuck, is that it? I think that's it. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's still running. Oh my god. I found you. Oh shit. Holy crap, it's still running. And I'm standing in the middle of the street. Okay, I need to put this somewhere. I can't believe I found that. I can't believe I lost that. I can't believe I just put it in the gear without putting the stand up. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I went for a fairly long ride out in the middle of frickin' nowhere too, and I thought, I bet that's where it's come off because I gave it hell out there where there was no one. And of course if it came off there, then it would have just flown into the bushes and it was gone. So I was fully expecting never to find it again, but lo and behold, where was it? Around the roundabout where I probably went as slow as I went the whole time. I think the polerizer's screwed, but I was not expecting it to be that easy to find. That's a win.